Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to reset your eToro password. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to reset your eToro password. First of all, visit the eToro login page. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to eToro.com. Now, click on Login button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Look for the Forget Password link and select it. Provide the email address in this field here and click on Submit button. eToro will send you an email with a link to reset your password. Look for the email with a subject line like Reset Your Password from eToro. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. After that, you will see a link like this and you will get a Reset Your Password page. Now enter a new and secure password. Ensure it meets the requirement criteria, for example, minimum length, special characters and numbers. Now type in a password again on this field here. After that, click on Submit button. So that is how you can reset your password in eToro. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.